To add EveryDollar budgeting to your financial management routine. Start by understanding the basics of this budgeting tool. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses, allowing you to create a personalized budget that suits your financial needs. First, you need to sign up for an EveryDollar account. You can do this by visiting their website or downloading the mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to set up your budget. This involves adding your income sources, including your salary, investments, and any other regular income you receive. Next, you will need to add your expenses. This includes fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and travel. EveryDollar allows you to categorize your expenses into different groups, making it easy to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. After adding your income and expenses, you can set budget goals for each category. For example, you may want to allocate a certain amount of money each month for savings, debt repayment, or retirement. EveryDollar provides you with a clear picture of your financial situation, allowing you to make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. To get the most out of EveryDollar, it is essential to regularly review and update your budget. This involves tracking your spending, adjusting your budget categories as needed, and making sure you are staying on track with your financial goals. By following these steps and using EveryDollar consistently, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly checking your account balances, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing your needs over your wants. By following these guidelines and using EveryDollar effectively, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your long-term financial objectives.